day to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world right now. How are you? Yeah, good. Oh, I'm happy to hear that. Well, if you're feeling a little bit disappointed, a little bit sad of what is happening around the world right now, you are not alone. We are all going through this tough time right now. So I think the only thing that we can do is to give our utmost um, cooperation. Not utmost. Let's just give our 100% cooperation to our government so that we will become victorious in the end. Would be able to survive this pandemic in the end. Okay, I feel like my thoughts aren't gathered today. I'm so sorry, but I'm happy to have you today. We are going to continue with another episode of Learn with Tin, the Determiner series. We are about to end this series. Today, I'm going to talk about the last type of determiner. So let's go on ahead. Okay. Before we go ahead and talk about the fifth kind, let's try to do a very quick review of what determiners are. Okay, there's nothing showing here. What happened? Uh-huh. Okay. What happened? Okay. The determiner series. Okay, let's review what determiners are again. They are words like the and an, this, some, either, my, or whose. So, in the previous episode, we learned that my is a determiner, and the counterpart of it is for pronoun is mine, right? So, I clarified some questions, some doubts about determiners and pronouns, some confusion rather. Um, Confusion between determiners and pronouns because most of them really look the same. They are the same in some way. There are differences and there are similarities. So I hope that you have watched that video, the determiners versus pronouns episode, before you continue with this episode right here. How many times did I say episode today? Let's go ahead and continue to this slide. So again, determiners, they share grammatical similarities. They always come at the beginning of a noun phrase, just before the adjectives. They limit or they determine. In some pronunciation, determine. But I would like to say determine. Okay? Some noun phrase in a way or in some way. Determiners are mutually exclusive. We cannot have more than one in the same noun phrase. In case we have more than one determiner in one noun phrase, they will go in a very specific order, which I am going to elaborate on and explain further in the next episode. So stay tuned. What are the main determiners? Okay, main determiners is the one and only determiner in a noun phrase. Okay. Now, okay, let's go on ahead and start talking about the number determiners. So what are the number determiners? We have these examples: one, two, three, first, second, third. So these are all numbers or show numbers. Okay, numbers are similar to quantifier. If you remember our previous episode about quantifier, they are a bit similar, right? However, grammarians, they treat them separately. So we are going to treat them separately here too. Okay, we're going to follow their strict order and differences. Okay, we already learned in primary school that numbers can be cardinal or ordinal. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ordinals are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 100th. Okay. So it's pretty easy to remember when you hear the word ordinal, you think the order. What's the order of things? So first, second, third. I have said this again and again, and I'm going to reiterate it today. Like all determiners, number determiners come at the beginning of a noun phrase. Here you can see cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Okay. Okay, it says here, see more cardinal and ordinal numbers. Let's try to see if there are more here. No, maybe in the next slide. Okay. These are example sentences. Okay. I ordered 2 cakes. Where is our noun phrase? Here? No. Here? Yes. 2 cakes. So this is our noun, cakes, and this is our number determiner, 2 cakes. Right? It determines the number of cakes. 2. How many? 2. Okay, another example. There were 300 angry people present. Can you see our noun phrase here? Yes, 300. 300 angry people. What do you observe here? Yes, we have an adjective, angry. So let's go back here. Okay? It says that they come in front of any adjectives, always at the beginning of a noun phrase. This is our noun phrase, angry people. We have the adjective angry. Still, our determiner, the number determiner, come at the beginning. 300 angry people. Okay, so for the other examples, you can pause this video, read these sentences on your own, try to guess or try to pick out the noun phrase. Okay, think of the rule. If you have any questions, leave a comment or message me directly. Okay, we used together, when used together, rather, when we use cardinal and ordinal numbers together in a noun phrase, this should be the order. First, 3 prices. So what do you observe? What do you observe? Yes, we have the ordinal number before the cardinal number. The ordinal number first, and then the cardinal number 3. Ordinal, cardinal. Ordinal, cardinal, ordinal, cardinal. So, ordinal first, and then cardinal. Okay, if you need to put them or if we need to use them in one noun phrase, this should be the order. The first 3 prizes went to the same family. Okay. Awesome. And that is all. I'm sorry that I didn't give you the other examples of number determiners, but I think you already know, right? Even if I don't list all of them here, I guess you do have an idea pretty much about the ordinal and cardinal numbers. So thank you very much for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay indoors,